Yes, so what's up people? Respect for tuning into another video. So viewers and subscribers, you know what really a trouble my mind in idea, viewers and subscribers? There was a big fire at the Oberlin High School yesterday, Friday, viewers and subscribers. And basically me there, I wonder to myself, what really a go on at Oberlin High School, viewers and subscribers? Because just the other day, last year, viewers and subscribers, we all know the big event, the big thing we're going over Oberlin High School. We all know that a woman they go to the school and yeah, she pray at the school, etc. And after that, there was a big event at the school where the kids them start getting a seizure, kids start form frat and all type of things, viewers and subscribers. Whole heap of thing did a go on, you understand what I mean? And everybody have them own speculation of what happened or what really occurred at that time, viewers and subscribers. But yesterday also, viewers and subscribers, Valiant performed at the school, viewers and subscribers. And as Valiant leave the school, there was a big fire. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, I have the video and me I go show you and make you take it in for myself. But me just there to myself, viewers and subscribers, and me I say, what really are going over the viewers and subscribers? What really a cause all of them stop me? You understand what I mean? Is it a thing where demon is possessed in the people or the children them over the etc, or what really are going? Cause me no know. So viewers and subscribers, if you don't know, share your thoughts down into the comment section and make me know what go on, cause me no know. You understand what I mean? But anyway, viewers and subscribers, me I go make you check out the video now. But remember to drop a like on the video, viewers and subscribers. Also subscribe to the channel, click the all button so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV people. So people, check out the video.
What you got to say?
Nothing.
Viewers and subscribers, after seeing that video, viewers and subscribers, what do you all think caused that fire, viewers and subscribers? Share it with me down into the comment section. Because do you all think that yeah, it was just a little mishap from in the kitchen or just a bad connection, or what do you all think, viewers and subscribers? You think maybe the teacher, the principal, them do something funny, demonic or whatsoever, viewers and subscribers? Just tell me what you think, cause right now me want to get some closure on what really are going, because at the end of the day, so much thing no fair happen to one school. Something must be wrong, you understand what I mean? So at that moment, you share with me if you know, or just share your opinion, viewers and subscribers, because every opinion counts. But as I said before, remember to give this video a like, viewers and subscribers. Also share the content with someone who you know or you think that would be interested in the content, and just subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So people, big up on yourself. I'm out.